Hi guys, welcome to 8 Awesome Girls. Today in this video, we are going to be opening a blind bag. And we will do a review on the Draculaura jewelry box that turns into a bed. First, we're going to open this because it takes less time. It could be her, but I think it's her because I felt her brush. So now, we're going to open it. None of those two. It's her. I know it. Next, you need to put it together. So what you need to do, you need to snap this in. Then, get the shirt. Hold the arms in it. And then put it on. Then put the head on. Then you need to line the arrow up on the back of her head with her hair. What here? The one here? Then you got it on, and next you need to put on the hat. I think you gotta line up the line inside it. So easiest thing to do is put the front down and then put down the back. And then you put your hand out and put the rake in it. And then you're done. All done. It was kind of hard to put it together, but it was still worth it.